and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. I hope everybody's doing fantastic this morning. I'm doing pretty good. Can't complain too much, except for this weird white stuff everywhere. Yeah, that's right. Yesterday it snowed. Yesterday night. Sorry, it's gonna be one of those vlogs where I'm focusing more on the riding, I'm guessing, but just because it's warm. Like, I literally was not gonna ride. I was like, damn, today is gonna be one of those train days. And then I stepped outside and it was warm. So I was like, oh, it's not even cold. So that is why I'm on two wheels right now. And as you can see, like yesterday, it looked so dramatic, the whole snowstorm situation, that yeah, it was insane. It was like news coverage and all the things, you know. And obviously the next morning, now that it's 40 some degrees, it's nothing, you know. It's not even cold. So it's all good. Damn, son, I'm gonna be stuck at this red light, I guess. No big deal. How's all of yous doing this morning? I wasn't even gonna vlog today because I ain't got nothing to say, but I feel like I'm riding in this weird weather like an idiot. I might as well be recording, you know. But obviously this was not as big of a storm as it was supposed to be or whatever, and it's definitely not gonna last, but we'll see. We'll see. Weirder things have happened before. So anyway, here we are. Just keep it vertical, and that's all. That's all we need to do. La verticale. And then I'm gonna hose the old bike down, because obviously right now things are getting wild dirty. Things are getting wild dirty. Oh my god, I just fucked up. I just fucked up really bad. Thank god there's no cops. I literally just took that red light like a stop sign by accident. I wasn't planning on that. Wasn't planning on doing that. That's okay. Not a big deal. Going to an event in Queens, and it's supposed to be only get warmer throughout the day, so that's why I'm like not too concerned with the weathers. Not too concerned. What time we got? 9:11. 9:11? No, 8:11. That's right. Look how messy and dirty it is all over. That's how that's what my back is gonna look like. But these things happen. These things happen. Ugh. And now we're gonna get on the BQE and do a little of this, little of that. Nice and easy. No stress. I'm gonna take a little right here. Pull up. Oh boy, normally I'd pull up easy, but look at this goddamn garbage. Look at this garbage. Do I dare? No. I could pull up to the front normally, but there's too much trash here. And look, this fucking guy could have easily pulled up too. And there's traffic on there. Sick. But this was the right decision instead of taking the train. This train would have been a bitch. A bitch to get there, a bitch to get back, a bitch all around. probably the only asshole riding. Everybody else is like, oh no, my precious motor bicycle. It is get the salt on it. It is get dirt on it and wet. It's possible, but it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna split though. Not exactly sure what's going on here. A little bit of outside the lanes. This person doesn't want to even go, so I'll just pass him like this, and then we're straight. That's it. So this whole Amazon fiasco, eh? How about them apples? It's coming over there to the left. See those shiny buildings to the left? Well, there's a lot of them. I guess you probably can't see them. But, yeah. That's where Amazon is going. And bringing all those jobs. Yeah, right. Bringing fucking expensive ass housing. That's what they're bringing. But there's probably going to be some delicious food. In fact, I'm so selfish, but I'm just like, yeah. I'm excited for the delicious food. Alright, I'm gonna pass everybody once this guy goes. I probably shouldn't, because it is slippery. I should calm down, because it's not that serious. Yeah, I'll calm down. It's a little windy on the bridge too, so I bet some things are like icy and whatnot. Is it below freezing? I'm not sure. I was hoping it wasn't below freezing, but it very well may be. Either way, it's all good. Oh, the winter is here. The winter is here. I'm glad that the storm wasn't so bad, but I almost wish the storm was stronger, so the way I definitely don't have the option of even riding, so I can just take the train like a normal person, you know? But no, not today, buddy boy, not today. Still recording, so that's good. Yeah, I'm all filthy. I'm gonna have to wipe down my jacket and spray the bike with some water. But that's what I do. I have like a little pumper, like a garden waterer kind of thing, and I legit just spray hose my bike down. It takes me like fucking 5 minutes, 2 minutes even. Yeah, so people always ask like, how do you ride in the salt? And it's like, well, the riding part is easy. The bitch part is hosing the bike down afterwards. That part sucks. And this sucks too, because I can't see a goddamn thing. The reflections are mad. Holy shit. That's fine. We'll do something like that. I can't believe how many cars there are out and about. This person's taking a fucking left, dick prick. Ah, shit balls. Poor fucking Ducati. Yeah, should have left it home. Come on, dude. Alright, I'm gonna pass you then. That's no problem. Oh boy, that's why I didn't take the bus. And look at this slush. This is the dangerous slush. That's where it's still slushy and not fun. It's cool, bro. I appreciate it, but not that serious. Kind of sucks that there is no room. That's the problem, you know. Normally I would just go by everybody, but not today. Can I? Yeah. Like I'm gonna drop my bike trying to pass a single bus. I hope not. Truly hope not. Alright. And my stupid shield is fogging up. Look at this shit. That's madness over there. I literally need to get past everyone. But I can't because I don't know what's going on. Is there like a school bus that broke down? Holy shit. And it's way too far out for me to go on the left. Like I'm too far from the fucking, from the red light for me to just pass everybody like that, you know? Like I could. There we go. Much better, much easier. Like look at this. Look at this. Sons of bitches. But I got ahead, so that's all that matters. That's definitely a bad place for a bus to break down. I will give you that observation right away. It's all good. We're almost there. And just like I thought, it's not too cold and not too wet. So things will be okay. Look at these fucking dicks. Ha! Nice one, dick. How am I riding this aggressive in this shitty of temperatures? It's a goddamn mystery. What I need to do is chill and calm down. That's totally possible. Totally realistic. Mary and Joseph. Yeah, and I woke up late. On top of all this, yeah, that's right. The biggest thing is that I woke up late and I didn't even have a fucking coffee. Actually, no, fuck it. I'm gonna go to the next intersection. Fucking this guy is going 1 mile per hour. Well, he hates his job, you know, just like me, except I manifest my hatred into going fast, not going slow. You know, I go fast because I hate my job. I don't hate my job. Everything is fine. I just haven't had my coffee. Hey, bag, don't attack me. It's gonna be a bitch to park this fucker. The whole thing is silly, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. These things happen. The good thing is that I'm almost there, which is the first step of this puzzle. And, yeah, no. Everything else is just details. Not too stressful. What the fuck are you doing, you fucking weirdo? Here we go. Dumb bitch. Dumb bitch. Well, no, because she's like not paying attention to the traffic and fucking... I already had the motion going while she was thinking. I didn't want her to pull out in front of me casually with her pup. Anyway, boys and girls, thank you for watching another one of these little vloggies. And I'm gonna, you know, We'll talk to you later. But first, I guess I should find parking for this potato. So it's all good. Not too stressed, not too worried. All is fine, all is okay. Here we go. Oh, that guy's wearing a sweet outfit. That's kind of dope. It smells so good around here. Damn. Huge fan. Huge, big fan. That's what I like about here. This area. The smells are insane. It's a Peruvian chicken. It's a fucking Peruvian chickens. That's what it is. Alright. We'll park right here. Alright, kids. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.